Welcome to our tutorial on auditing records in DealerTeam. We're going to be looking at two options, creating a list view and generating a report. Let's start with list views. List views allow you to see related records in a tabular format, much like what you see here in the recently viewed list. This is a default list, but you can create your own with any type of records like accounts and deals, but for this example we'll use vehicle inventories. Click the gear icon and select New. We'll call this one My List. You can select whether the list will be available only to you or to other users as well. Click Save. Next, set your filters. You can create filters based on specific criteria. For this example, we'll add a filter to show vehicles in stock equals true and vehicles with a retail price greater than $10,000. Once you've set your filters, hit Save. To customize your columns, click the gear icon again and click Select Fields to display. Add columns such as active holds and current location. When you're done, click Save. List views are great for quick data checks, but not ideal for exporting data. For exporting, reports are a better option. Navigate to the Reports tab. Start by creating a new report and select a report type. Choose a type that matches the data you need. Simple names are usually best, like vehicle inventories in this case. Click Start Report. Once in the report builder, start with filters. Set your report to show all relevant records by adjusting the filters as needed. We'll filter this report to show all vehicle inventory units with a retail price greater than $10,000. Next, switch to the Outline section and add columns to your report. Choose the fields you need such as description, days in stock, and odometer. These selections help you tailor the report to display the information you care about. Once you're happy with the report setup, click Save and Run. Name the report and save it in your desired folder. You can also export the report to Excel by clicking the Export button in the top right corner of the report page. This allows you to work with your data outside of DealerTeam if needed. And there you have it, two methods to audit records in DealerTeam: list views for quick checks and reports for detailed exports. Thank you for watching.